Hello children, welcome to Nelson School online education program Learn Better. In today's session we'll be going on with the tenses as usual, and today's worksheet, oral worksheet, will be related to the present perfect continuous tense. So it's just for the oral practice, no need to write in the worksheet book. Exercise 1, rewrite the sentences using the present perfect continuous tense or using the adverbial expressions that are given in the brackets. Now, as you all know that we use adverbial expressions like since and for using the perfect continuous tenses. So let us continue. Number 1, the helicopter is hovering over the city. Now here the adverbial expression that you are supposed to use is since 6:30 a.m. So it will be and moreover the verb is hovering, but you have to change it to the present perfect, so it becomes has been hovering. So it is the helicopter has been hovering over the city since 6:30 a.m. Number 2, additional armed forces are guiding this shrine. So you have to use the expression since Monday, but now here armed forces are guiding. So are guiding is the verb that you have to change to the present perfect, that is have been guarding. So it is additional armed forces have been guarding this shrine since Monday. Number 3, the river is overflowing its banks. Now here the verb is overflowing, so it will be has been overflowing. Moreover, the expression that you're supposed to use is for about a week. So it becomes the river has been overflowing its banks for about a week. Next is number 4, she's making efforts to start ladies club. So it is making is the verb. Now this you change it to the present perfect continuous tense, so it becomes has been making. And that will be expression that you're going to use is since the day she came to this colony. So it becomes she has been making efforts to start ladies club since the day she came to this colony. Number 5, the police is keeping watch over his movements. Now here the verb is keeping. Now you change it to the present perfect continuous tense. So it becomes has been keeping. And the expression that you're going to use is since 10th March. So it becomes the police has been keeping watch over his movements since 10th March. Now exercise 2, fill in the blanks of the correct tense, that is present continuous or present perfect continuous tense. The children remained quiet for a while, but now, they are talking about now, so you have to use present continuous. They are again making a noise. Number 2, the children dash a noise for at least 10 minutes. Now here they have used the verb for, it's an expression, okay. So here you will be using present perfect tense, continuous tense, so it is have been making. Number 3, dash you dash in the same office. So you are using here you still work, they have given the brackets. So you're just asking that are you still working in the same office? So he replies, no, I have changed my job. Number 4, Manan lives in Central Park. He there since he was born. So it is since they have given you adverbial expression. So your verb would be in the present perfect continuous tense. So it's become he has been living. Number 5, when are we leaving for Mussoorie? I dash forward to this trip. So it's look. Okay. So it will be I am looking. But if in case he might have given the blank like I dash forward to this trip for 2 months. So here then it will be I have been looking. Okay. When they give you certain duration like for or since or some expression they give you, we will be using present perfect continuous tense. And if it is not given, then we will be using the present continuous tense. Number 6, these days I dash judo. I find it very useful. So it is usually these days. So it will be I am learning judo. Number 7, let us wait for a moment. The servant dash my room. So the servant is it's cleaning. The action is right now going on. So the servant is cleaning my room. Thank you. I just repeat, this worksheet is for oral practice and no need to write in the worksheet book.